HHC stands for hexahydrocannabinol, and it's a semi-synthetic version of THC, tetrahydrocannabinol. Naturally, there are two main active components found in cannabis: THC, tetrahydrocannabinol, and cannabinoid, or CBD. THC is the principal psychoactive constituent, and under the misuse of drugs legislation, products containing THC are illegal for sale or production in Ireland. CBD is perfectly legal, as it has no psychoactive element. CBD oils, creams and other products have become very popular in Ireland and are touted for a myriad of medicinal benefits. What is happening now is that chemists are taking cannabinoids from hemp and tweaking the molecules to create HHC, which is packed into vapes, gummies and even edibles. Although the effects of these products are the same as THC, the semi-synthetic version is not covered by current Irish legislation. These legal highs have become hugely popular, and especially with teens. The College of Psychiatrists in Ireland says that HHC is showing up in around 1 in 5 addiction case studies involving young people, with medical professionals referring to a surge in psychosis linked to HHC. Labour TD and Party Health spokesperson Maria Sherlock has been petitioning the government and the HSE to fast-track legislation to ban the sale and production of HHC products in Ireland. And the Minister has said the Department of Health is working on it, but for now, HHC is still legal and widely available.